are right here. Let's start a match in 3, 2, 1, go. Right off the bat, we got 3 out of 4 robots moving. Gearheads looks like they're trying to pocket as many points as they can for their alliance right here, right off in autonomous. Meanwhile, on the red alliance, we got Team Hazmat doing the same, getting as many points as possible for their team. Meanwhile, their alliance looks like they're just waiting for Teleup to start so they can help their team alliance. Gearheads fast and swiftly guiding as many specimen on there as possible. Meanwhile, Team Hazmat getting as many samples into that basket as they can as autonomous
Drivers,
ends.
pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And there goes that buzzer for Teleup to start. We got all 4 robots moving. Looks like Catbite's helping their team Gearheads, Alliance Gearheads, as much as possible to gain points. Looks like they're trying to pick up some samples to drop into that bucket, but they attempt to unfortunately miss by a little. Well, on the red alliance, we've got Lightning Robotics grabbing as many samples as possible to drop into the basket. Meanwhile, Team Hazmat grabbing as many as possible on their side. Gearheads moving a little swiftly to get as many samples as possible with just under a minute 30 seconds left on the clock. All 4 robots moving as quickly as possible to get as many points as they can. Will Hazmat and Gearheads helping gain points by dropping samples for their own alliances. Looks like about Lightning Robotics helping their alliance out by dropping a couple more samples near Team Hazmat, while in the Blue Alliance, with less than a minute left on the clock, Gearheads continuing to put more specimen and getting as many points as they can for their team. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance, Catbite's getting as many samples as possible and drop 1 more sample in that basket with just 10 seconds left till endgame starts. Gearheads attempting to put 1 more specimen, unfortunately missed by ever so slightly and have a second attempt, which successfully happens as they enter endgame. With 20 seconds left on the clock, all 4 robots still moving to see how many points they can get. Looks like Lightning Robotics is just parked in the observation zone. Meanwhile, we got Gearheads attempting to hang with 8 seconds left on the clock. Team Hazmat looks like they're continuing to gain as many points as possible, with Gearheads having a level 3 ascent. And that is the end of